Hi, I'm Kell from Promenaid, and today I'm going to show you Promenaid's LED modules. Now, since the day we invented Promenaid railing with its patented channel grip extrusion, the channel that's underneath the rail that we use to install brackets and end caps and all the fittings has been crying out for LEDs. But the challenge was how to create LEDs that were as easy to install and as modular as the rest of our system. Rather than go with full-length strip LEDs, we opted for high-intensity modules that can be installed at intervals along the railing and to create nice cones of light below the railing for an elegant look that is customizable because you can put in as many or as few of the LED modules as you require. Each one of these modules consumes only 2 watts, but creates a high-intensity beam with a nice 3200 Kelvin warm color temperature. And to install a module, it's as simple as clipping it inside the channel and attaching it with 2 set screws that are supplied. There we go, as easy as that. Each of these modules is supplied with about 24 inches of jumper wire on either side. And that means that you can attach one module to the other, daisy chain them in fact, for as long as you want, up to 48 modules on one Class B transformer. You just connect the black wire to black wire and red wire, or add jumper wires between black and red if you need to place the modules farther apart than 4 feet. And because they only run on 24 volts, which is a standard for LED lighting, you don't need an electrician in order to run these low voltage wires. And the wires run right inside the channel. So there's no fishing, there's no difficult wiring. In fact, the connections can be made using standard Moretz or wire nut connectors, and everything will tuck in there nicely and be covered up when you clip in the Promenaid anti-slip vinyl extrusion. The extrusion fits right up to the side of the module, and it has the same profile. So when you glide your hand along the railing, you can barely tell the presence of the module. I've installed one of the Promenaid LED modules on this miniature wall to show you how it fits and integrates with the handrail assembly. So the diameter of the module is the same as that of the railing and the same as that of the vinyl extrusion. So you have one nice smooth round grip along its full length. I've shown the vinyl extrusion covering up the wires on this side, but left it off to show you how the wires tuck neatly inside the channel on the other side. And you can bring the power in either through a bracket or through, in this case, one of the 90-degree bends that we're using to terminate the railing. In fact, you can bring the power in at any Promenaid fitting, anywhere along the line, because all of the modules are in parallel, so they can be powered at any point. And one last detail to note, just like the Promenaid handrail, this module is suitable for indoor, outdoor use, even in wet environments. All we have to do now is power it up, show you how it looks. I've got a small 24-volt power supply here that we're going to use to demonstrate the LED module. But I should also mention that you can use a dimmer or any third-party app, including Alexa or Google Home, to control these LED modules just as you would other LED strip lights. Here we go. Power, ground, and there you have it. If you already have a Promenaid handrail installed, you can retrofit Promenaid LED modules at any time. Let there be light.